everyone, it's Siobhan again. So I want to talk to you guys about the kind of week I've been having. I've been having a really crazy week this week. I'm working on a big project and it's just requiring a lot out of me this week. So I found myself blaming and complaining and whining a whole lot just about all the things that shouldn't be this way but is this way, and I have to deal with them and whine me and woes me and the whole 9 yards. So I actually read an article this week, as a matter of fact, in Success Magazine by John C. Maxwell. And in the article, he talks about our attitude, the difference maker. And in the article, he talks about you can continue to have a negative attitude, or you can change your attitude and have a better way, a better day, you know, be happier. And I really took that on and I really tried it just as an experiment, just to see what would happen. And interestingly enough, I had a better day. I actually began to just be happier, enjoy my day better, and actually things began working a lot smoother for me. So that's what I want to talk to you guys about, is changing your attitude. So if you're not having a good day, if you're whining and complaining, if you're blaming other people, I want you to know that you can change. You have total 100% control over what is happening. You cannot change other people. Sometimes you cannot change the circumstance that you're in at the moment, but what you can change is how you look at it. I once heard a quote say something along the lines of, change how you look at something and the thing that you look at changes. So the power is all within you. So change your attitude, change how you look at something, and that thing begins to change. You'll actually find that you'll be happier, you'll be more peaceful, and you'll even be enjoying life a lot more. So your attitude is the difference maker. In the magazine, he talked about two people in a situation, you know, very similar background, very similar personalities, very similar, you know, job description. One person with a negative attitude, one person with a positive attitude. Which person do you think will be more successful? Probably the person with the positive attitude, because the attitude can really make the difference. Sometimes you'll hear people say attitude is everything. John has disagreed with that, and I do as well, because attitude does not replace everything. For example, your positive attitude won't replace experience. You know, a positive attitude won't replace competence. So attitude isn't everything, but it can make the difference. It is the main thing, but it's not everything. So try it on today. So if you're having a bad day, or how you look at something is not very pleasant, try to change how you look at it, or try to change how you see what's happening in your day and see what happens. So attitude, the difference maker. If you're interested in getting his book, check it out. I've listed it on my site for you to check it out if you're interested. So until next time, take care.